What's going on with the truckers? I just want to give you guys this information straight. Basically, there was a Facebook group about convoying to DC because you see everything that's happening in Ottawa and the Parliament Hill. And you know what? A lot of truck drivers in America are getting very inspired and they want to go in convoy to DC to fight for their human rights as well. So we have Trucker G and Mrs. G here, and I'm going to have them on. They're going to be a little vague because here's the thing. They had the group page up, and in a few days, over 140,000 people joined, and Facebook deleted it right away.
Follow the lead, rather, of their Canadian counterparts and drive from California to Washington, D.C. in protest of vaccine mandates. Our panel of truckers joins me now. Mike Landis, Jeremy Johnson, who is also the Facebook group administrator for Convoy to D.C. 2022, and Brian Brazzi, the co-organizer of Convoy to D.C. 2022. Good morning to all of you, gentlemen. Jeremy, why did Facebook take down your page?
Censorship at its finest. I got a hold of freedomfighternation.org human rights attorney Lee Dundas, and we are in discussion with her as we speak to see what our options moving forward are. But they like to silence people that speak the truth.
So because of that, they're working on new plans. Just know that here are the dates. March 1st is looking like they're going to go to Washington, D.C. for truckers' rights. Okay, so just know that. But here's the information that Trucker J and Mrs. G are going to be able to give. Again, I apologize that's vague, but it's in the works for the people that are here for the truckers. Mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. Stated in the video, March for Freedom Convoy 2022 has been changed to the People's Convoy for 2022. So just know that. So if you want to help or gain information, join that group.
Adjust his camera a little bit.
Yeah, there's Mrs. G. Don't be doing that.
What up?
Easy.
Hanging out. Where are you guys at right now?
We're at the house.
Oh,
I
was going to say, what is this beautiful restaurant behind you? Because I see all the woodwork.
That was one night at about 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning.
It took like 2 hours.
Yeah, that's telling you how talented you are, and I am not. Mother truckers out there in the world, if you do not know who this couple are, I mean, Trucker G, Mrs. G, I mean, they're on Facebook, they're on YouTube, they're everywhere. I'm definitely going to put links down below. Everything they do is for truck drivers and it's for trucking. And a lot of people are talking about the events that are happening out there in Canada in Parliament Hill. Am I saying it wrong when I say that truck drivers are getting definitely inspired by that?
You're totally right. I was in awe with seeing what they did, and it is inspiring.
It's very heartwarming seeing everybody, out en masse, just not truckers, but the volume of truckers that are out there. Plus, they're public out there supporting.
And let us know exactly what's going on because, we hear about it, but a lot of times we don't get all the information. So Trucker G, Mrs. G, whoever wants to send it off, I'll give you guys the floor on what's going on and what's currently happening with what we're trying to do here in America.
I will tell you that there is a lot of things that are in the process of being planned. Things have come together very quickly. But the biggest reason I'm doing it is because the Canadian brothers and sisters that have reached out to me personally and others and asked for our help.
There was a very big Facebook group. And what was that called? Convoy to
DC 2022. And
tell us about that.
It reached to about 130, 140,000 people very quickly within like 2 days, 3 days, I guess.
Yeah, it gained momentum.
It was very quick. And they pulled it down. I was actually one of the admins on there, or one of the moderators on there. I can't remember which one of them. It really don't matter.
He was on there somehow.
I was on there somehow. And was trying to help out with what I could. And I tell you what, they pulled the page down. They actually banned a couple people. They lost all their private and personal information. And they actually locked me down also. I had to jump through hoops to get my stuff back up and going. But when I did get back up and going, it was limited.
What is coming to, and so that we can let the world know and let American truckers know, so that if they want to jump on board, they can help or be a part of this convoy as well. What information do you guys have about that?
They're actually, as we're speaking, they're announcing the new page. And to be honest with you, I forgot to write it down. But the page the existing page right now is March for Freedom Convoy to DC 2022. Isn't that what it is?
Yes, I think that's what it is.
And so is it March for Freedom, meaning that it's going to be in March, or how many, what's the time frame on this?
We're looking at March 1st, and that's already been posted out there.
So everyone will know the right information when the time is. Just know that everyone's getting together for this, and it's looking like a date of March 1st. And if you want more information, they are working on a new page, because the current page, Convoy to DC, has been basically deleted and banned.
Yeah, it was Convoy to DC 2022, but yeah.
Yeah, it's gone.
And I'll tell you right now, Alex, more than likely, they're probably going to take my Facebook page down. So I'm going to have to be right next to you up on YouTube, buddy.
Yeah, whatever it needs to be, and, honestly, Trucker G and Mrs. G have an amazing page on Facebook, and for them to be willing to put that on the line to help truck drivers, that's just amazing, So if there's anything I could do at all, just let me know, guys, and we're just here for people. So we'll be good.
Appreciate
Hey,
it.
All right.
Well, Jenna, we said hi.
I will.
Yeah.